Hi dear friends, welcome back to my channel. Today my topic is LG brand front loader washing machine. This machine is direct drive inverter system. This machine having ThinQ extra options, turbo wash, also 6 motion. This machine is very intelligent machine actually in UAE. It is a very demand machine. Now today I am going to explain to you how to use dry option with wash and without wash. That's mean most probably customers doesn't know how to select wash option with the wash, also separate only the separate dry. Because of that I'm going to explain to you how to use this machine. Now we will go to the next step. Now I already given power connection. Now the machine we can select whatever through the selector switch. Whatever selection we can do, this side you can see here, this is stream generator cycle, stream cycle already written here, stream cycle. This side is normal cycle. Now I will show you how to. Now for example I am selecting stream cycle normal wash, baby care I already select. After that, this here I will start the machine. Now it is detecting time. Door already got locked. Now machine is detecting the fabric volume, otherwise fabric weight, everything, fabric load, everything is itself is checking. Now we are telling this is detecting time. Now time detect already finished. Now it is showing 1 hour 36 minutes. That's mean this only the wash option baby care with the stream cycle is 1 hour 36 minutes. After machine will get stopped automatically. Now without dry, now what I'm going to show you, I'm going to show you with this option. Now we can select here any dry option. If you need time dry, that's mean after selecting 136 hour finish, end of the cycle it will spin. After that it will go direct dry option. Now I select already here 30 minutes. If your load is very high, it is within 30 minutes you are not able to get 100% dry. Now you can select again 1 hour dry. Now with the 1 hour dry it will come 2 hour 54 minutes. Also you can select again 130 hour, 2 hour, 230 hour, 136. That's mean with this option you can select 230 hour only. This is time dry. Otherwise you can select air dry option also. See it is editing for 3 hours air dry. You can see here air dry. Otherwise you can select turbo dry 4 hour 59 minutes. That's mean I'm going to show you. Now with this option baby care option, within 1 hour 36 minutes end of the wash cycle, it's automatically will go dry option. That's mean it's editing only 30 minutes. After that you can start the machine will start with the dry option. Now it is time, now it's showing here time dry. It's already indicator, its lights are blinking here, light is blinking. That means end of the cycle you can get dry cloth. Now I'm going to show you with other option this cycle. Here you can you are not able to select sport wear. Dry option is not allowed. With the sports wear you cannot select any dry option with the sports wear. This allergic care you can select whatever, as same before I show you, whatever dry option you can select. Also here also this stream cleaning only 25 minutes. You are not able to select any dry option. That's mean only the stream cleaning only. Here speed wash and dry, this one also you can select whatever. This one already by default it's having stream dry. Now I will go to other side. This one speed wash here. This speed, with the speed wash you can select whatever dry option. Also silent wash also you can, but this is Bidden Care and Duet. You are not able to select. You can see you cannot select any dry option. Duet also same, but the wool also same, but you can select rinse plus spin. If you the dirty not with your fabric, you can select direct spin without wash. After the direct spin, rinse plus spin, end of the spin cycle, it is 19 minutes. As same before, you can select whatever dry selection you can do, like this 30 minutes, 1 hour, 130, 2 hour, 230. Up to 230 you can select dry option. As same before, this one also same, this option also. Now I'm going to show you, I already show you how to select dry option with washer. End of the wash cycle, it will go automatically dry option. Now I'm going to show you how to select with this machine only the dry option. Now I'm switching off again. I off the machine. Now I will start the machine. Now I think you understand what I'm going to say. Now I'm going to show you only the dry option without wash. No need to, don't touch here while you going to select separate dry. Don't touch the selector switch area here. You have to go direct here, and here you can select 30 minutes as I show you before, 130, 2 hour, 230. It's same. You can select whatever option. For example, now I'm selecting 30 minutes. We can start the machine, but it will show for 57 minutes. That means here 1100 RPM. That means spinning cycle also include this 30 minutes. Because of that, if you don't spin cycle, you can cancel spin cycle, this one. After that, here it will show 30 minutes. Now you can start the machine. 30 minutes dry option only without spin. If you need only, you can select a spin cycle. If you touch here any option you select, it will come wash. Water already taken to the machine, and machine will start wash cycle. This is the way how to select dry option with wash and without wash. I think you got some idea. I think you learn. You can hear the noise now. Now already dry blower you can hear. Heater will start now. Slowly drum will rotate. This is condensation dry system. Because of that, water also will take slowly inside the machine. This is the way. Now you can see here dry already here indicating dry option. If you need only spin cycle, again I will show you. Separate dry. Don't touch selector switch. Go for here direct spin and select whatever 1 hour or something, 30 minutes as per your requirement. After that, you have to press here start pause button. Now direct, it will go the spin cycle 15 minutes. After that, machine will go for the automatically machine will go for the dry option. If you don't like spin cycle, you can cancel while pressing this one. After that, it will go direct spin, direct dry option. Whatever your choice, you selected dry option. This is my video today. Now I'm thinking you learned something, and again about this machine and how to select the dry option. And we will meet with another video very shortly. Thanks for watching my channel.